Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay app. And in this tutorial, I will show you on how to simply change language in Alipay app for your easy navigation. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Alipay app. Then after you open up your Alipay app, next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon right here from the bottom side corner. Click on that. Then it's going to take you to your account right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon from the top corner. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on general. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to language. Here we go. So as at the time of making this video, these are available languages that you can simply change your Alipay app into. What you need to do right here is to simply select a language that you want to change. Having selected the language you want to change, click on save from the top right here. And once you click on save, all the language in your Alipay app is going to automatically change to your preferred selected language. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Alipay. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.